Give me butterflies when you smile and it feels so good. I just can't hide. I wanna hold your hand, but I get too shy. Just me and you. What should I do? I used to be so quiet, like a flower on your wall, and everything around you made me feel like I was small. But then you said my name. Now it feels so strange. I've been waiting, oh so patient. Now the colors on my room are changing. Oh God, this feels.
Good morning. I am going to Cavite. It's my field trip today. Vlog po ako.
Betoy. Text, pag-call.
And may we grow in an understanding of the world and its wonders. We pray to our teachers, parents, and shepherds who have worked tirelessly.
Burn, hi!
Mami, mag-update na lang ako sa agency, ha?
May katatapos nyo lang na kahapon ba? Oo, nakita ko nga eh. Bye-bye! Bye-bye, Vern! Mami! Dito kami. Oo nga. Mami, iyak.
Uy, ano ka ba? Hinarangan mo sa kami.
Ayun na o! Ano ba? Parang naawa na sa Sir Noel ah. Ano yung anak ko? Nana! Mami, huwag kang umiyak, Mami! Mami, okay lang yan. Uy, maluwag pa yan. Kasyang-kasya tayo dyan.
Tayo, pinasakay niya.
Oo.
Hey guys, today's February 7. Today's maybe 5. Stop playing that! What the rotary place, Rocky? Say hi! Sana tinala ka na nagbibili tayo lahat. Hey, Rain, say hi! Hey guys! Why guys? Everybody knows, they know me where it snows. I student and they know. Follow high and follow eyes on the floor. For a solid minutes of the soul. Dancing is when we're lost. They're the words that we sing. Why is there background music? I don't do this anymore. Surround what you mean to me. And all of the love we're fighting for. We're fighting. Like the last time, and while I was ending, I wanna be there. And all I want was you. I wanna hold
Bakit sumunod kayo? Sumunod kayo? Saya naman.
Tayo ulit.
Nakakaingit. Sumugod. Oo nga, hindi pa ready. Baka next year. Sabi ko sa asawa ko medyo layo-layo. Para ba? Picture lang kasi. Correct. Nakikano lang kami sa sa GC. Sumunod kaya? Mga convoy pa lang. Tayo nakikita. Nasaan na yung cup niya? Hindi nakatingin. Buti na lang una sila. Hi, Pio! Para may energy pa.
Wala pa. Sundo ka na?
Ito na, teacher. Thank you po. Thank you.
See you on Monday.
Apo, thank you. Imbag mo, tsaka mag-up ka. Ano? Burn.
Patay na dyan. O magpapasta ka.
Puro, burn ko.
Hindi, mag-rise ka ba? O magpapasta?
Maghahati muna.
Patay na.
Burn ko. Oo. Iba pa.
bilang bahagi ng learning activities para matutuwa ng mga bata. Alright? Music please! Wala po munang lalapit. Parents.
I may never ride in the Calvary, shoot the artillery. I may never fly enemy. I'm in the Lord's army.
We thank you for the opportunity to witness the incredible talents you have blessed our students with.
Punta mo sa party ko doon. Go! Na ano? Isa lang? O yan? Galing na! Magsasabi pa yata? Yes, God. Ano naman sa kabila? Bernie ko sa kabila. Sa kabilang side. Okay. Isa masaya. Isa masaya. Nabigla. Ano natakot? Natakot?
Moving toward hybrid or multi-cloud adoption, what do you think the key strategy in managing security in this kind of environment?
So I think the key strategy is, of course, we have the compliance requirements, right? Cloud strategy, cloud roadmap, which is match or map with your business goals, your, of course, the compliance requirements.
No, what interests me more is when you mentioned about third party. I came to realize later on because
This is not just for the cloud strategy, but rather on the overall banking initiative.
business transformation, but sometimes the balance is.
Yes, I'm not worried, but I think Isaac might be. Yeah, that way, me and Isaac can look after you. If anything...
And so you think you're able to survive this mess by being a prince or... And even if you put in heaps of effort, cause your life as you know it is ancient history.
I have suffered in this jail. I've been trapped in for ages. This living hell. But if I try, I remember that before my life has ended, before I have a feeling or
feet inside the line. Sing, children. Hold the time.
Never again will she get the best of me. Never again will she take away my freedom. And we won't get the day we fought when we're going to be a little bit naughty. Again, we're little Peter. Never again will I be bullied. And never again will I doubt it when my mommy says I'm a Never again will we live behind bars. Never again we are revolting children living in revolting songs. We sing revolting songs. We sing revolting hymns. We'll be revolting children till our revolting's done. And we will have the church full bolting. We're revolting. We are revolting children living in revolting times. Sing revolting songs. We sing revolting rhymes. We'll be revolting children till our full bolting. We're revolting. Open, come and screaming. Take out your hockey stick and use it as a sword. Pictures on the wall, shouting, shouting, we're revolting. We can ask me out how we like, but none of us have gone wrong. We're a little bit naughty, so we ought to stay inside the line. At the same time, there is nothing that a transport can do. We can take up things to do. Might have thought we were weak, but we're strong. Might have thought we were brave, but you're wrong. Because we are indeed R-O-T-I-N. Revolting times. I-N-G, stop. U-S-I-N-G, R-O-V-R-E-V-I-N-G. It is too late for you, E-R-E voting. Sing revolting songs, using revolting rhymes. We'll be revolting children till our revolting's done. It is too late for you, for you, for you, for you, for you. Revolting children living in revolting times. We sing revolting songs, revolting rhymes. We'll be revolting children till our revolting's done. It is too late for you, we are revolting. And you're holding my hand.
We have the prefects Caleb, Althea, Calix, and of course we have Vern, Reese, and Suri.
Kuya, congrats! Ba't nila binigyan ka ng mic? Ano? Ay na? Oo nga, ganun ba kami?
Day and night I'm missing you, keep running round my head, just dreaming every possibility. Oh, think about a moment where I'm lying next to you, it's like a fantasy. You give me butterflies when you